All right, guys, working on 2012 Fiat 500. This is the Gucci edition. Changing out the motor mount, which is at the front of the motor. It's going to be on the passenger side or the right-hand side of the vehicle. Underneath the coolant overflow tank. All right, so grab up a 10 millimeter socket. Go ahead and take this front bolt out. Okay, let's just remove that. That's the only thing that's holding down your overflow tank. Okay, I just set it up here for now. And then you just pop this out. So they have two little prongs that fit right down into these grommets right down there, and we'll just move it out of the way. Okay, before you pull the old one out from here, you want to double check to make sure that you ordered the right one. And this is actually the right one. This is a Marmon Ride Control A5761. So what we're going to do is we're going to unconnect this line here. Just get back behind here, and all you do is just pry up like this. There you go. Just pop straight up. That way you can get to the bolt that's straight down here. All right, so what we're going to do is we want to take the bottom skid plate off because we're going to put a little bit of pressure on the engine just to hold it in place so it doesn't drop or move around at all. All right, so what we're doing is we're just putting a jack stand underneath just to hold it up. We have to drop the skid plate down from underneath the motor. That's 6 bolts. I believe it's a 10 millimeter. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to take the floor jack and then we're just going to hold pressure on the engine. All right, so we're going to take the jack, we'll bring it up underneath the oil pan. We just need a little pressure on it, not a whole lot. So put something in between here just for like cushion in between. You're just adding just a tad bit of pressure. That's all you want. That way when you take off that front motor mount, it's not going to drop. So go ahead and take off this bolt, this bolt, this bolt. The socket you're going to need is a 14 millimeter to take out the ones up against the engine. Okay, and the other bolts that are down here, those are going to be a 15 millimeter. Okay, so now as you take the last bolt out, it's going to start to go down on you, so you want to raise the motor up a little bit just to keep pressure on it. See, now it's not going down, so you're good. It doesn't take much. So now we got all 3 of those bolts out. These are what it's going to look like. And then let's go ahead and take out the next ones. All right. So there's 3 bolts. They should come out pretty easy. We're kind of cheating here. We have air. Okay, and then we got one more left in the very back, and then that motor mount will raise right out. And just like that. All right, so go ahead and clean up the area before you install the new motor mount. Let's go ahead and fit the new motor mount down in. It's only one way you can put it in. It's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we'll start with these bolts right here. Do not tighten them up. Just start the threads on them because we want all of them to line up. Okay, so what we're going to do now, sorry about the noise, we're going to go ahead and torque these down to manufacturer specs. All right, so the torque specifications from the dealer for Fiat is 36 foot-pounds. So all straight across here and all these. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to feed this in. This is the overflow tank, so go ahead and set it back down in. And then push it into the two grommets right there. Get those things locked in. And then put your bolt in the front. Again, that's 10 millimeter, and you can just go ahead and cinch that down. Don't forget to lock this in place. So what we'll do is just pull it back, push down on it, and lock it in place. All right, so now you're done here. So let's go ahead and just lower down the floor jack holding up your engine. Okay, so there we go. And now let's go ahead and put back the skid plate.